Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain the benefits of a dedicated server for financial institutions. So, let's begin.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now, back to the video.
Before proceeding, let me explain what is a dedicated server because most definitions are oversimplified. A dedicated server is not just a server you don't share. It is a fully isolated compute environment where you get total access to your CPU, RAM, storage, and network resources. But more importantly, it gives you total control over behavior, not just capacity. You define how traffic flows, how emails are sent, and how your reputation is built. Now, not all dedicated servers are the same. You will typically see three types of dedicated server models in the market right now. First, managed dedicated servers. This is ideal when you want your server infrastructure to be handled while your team focuses on application, but you trade some control over convenience. Second, unmanaged or bare metal servers. This is where enterprise teams operate. Complete control over operating system, stack, security routing. Hybrid setups combining dedicated servers with cloud layers. Used when you need performance consistency with elastic scaling. But complexity increases and architecture matters. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a dedicated server. The first and most important benefit is consistency. No shared CPU spikes, no unpredictable resource throttling. What you provision is what you get every time. The second benefit is IP reputation control. You are not affected by anyone else's behavior. This alone changes deliverability outcomes dramatically. The third benefit is security and compliance. You define firewall rules, encryption layers, and access policies. This is critical for finance, software as a service, and other regulated industries. The fourth benefit is network performance, direct routing, optimized paths, and predictable latency. This is especially when deployed in hubs like Netherlands. Finally, a dedicated server provides scalability on your terms. You scale vertically or architect horizontally based on your workload, not based on server providers' limitations. Now, I will proceed with the benefits of a dedicated server for your financial institution. If your trading platform is even 30 milliseconds slow, you are not just experiencing delay, you are losing execution priority and real money. And most financial firms don't even see where it's happening. I will show you how serious firms fix this. Let's break this down simply. Financial infrastructure is extremely latency sensitive. The financial systems, such as forex engines, online payment systems, and algorithmic trading, but most server setups run on shared hosting or poorly hosted cloud layers. Latency is not visible like CPU or RAM. Everything looks stable until it breaks. You are reacting, not preventing. Even powerful CPUs can't compensate for bad network paths. So your system looks fine internally but performs slowly externally. That's where the issue of execution delay occurs. And in finance, delay equals to disadvantage. This is not a hardware problem, it is an infrastructure design problem. Latency is influenced by routing and not just distance. Let me make this real for a second. Two traders, they are following the same strategy and having the same capital. One at 5 milliseconds and other at 35 milliseconds. The faster one gets filled fast and the slower one remains behind. And that difference compounds over time. Your data doesn't travel from point A to point B. And every hop adds three things. They are jitter, delay, and data packet loss. Most ISPs optimize for cost, not performance, which means your traffic is rarely optimized for trading speed. Now, when we say latency, it's not just one thing. There are distance latency, routing latency, and processing latency. And then queuing delay when network gets congested. Most server environments lose milliseconds. That's how 5 milliseconds becomes 30 milliseconds without anyone noticing. Then add shared infrastructure and it compounds the problem. This is why serious firms avoid generic clouds for critical workloads. The solution is not more power, its smarter placement is important. Let's talk about routing. This is where most performance is lost. ISPs optimize for cost and not speed. So, your traffic takes a longer path even if faster routes exist. That's why two UK servers can perform completely differently. Dedicated servers near financial hubs reduce latency drastically. You eliminate shared resources, you control routing. Let's look at actual data. One route 6 hops, another route 14 hops. That's not a small difference, it's a differently execution path. You deploy dedicated bandwidths and optimized network paths. And most importantly, predictable latency. That's what trading systems actually need. No spikes, no fluctuation, consistency. This is how institutions protect execution accuracy. London is the most connected financial hubs globally. You are closer to exchanges, liquidity, and European Union market. That proximity drastically changes execution speed. It provides low latency access across all Europe and beyond. Most teams optimize code but ignore network and try fixing performance at the application level. After moving to UK dedicated infrastructure, latency level dropped to single digits. That's the difference between temporary speed and engineered performance. At Hosting Ultraso, we approach this differently. We design your server infrastructure according to your latency critical workloads. If you are evaluating your server infrastructure, you should ask three questions. They are: where is it located? How is it routed? Is its performance consistent? If you can't answer this, you don't control performance. In financial systems, speed is not optional. It's a competitive advantage. It's a difference between profit and loss. Talk to our team and build it right. If you have enjoyed our video, give a like and subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.
Thank you for watching this video. If you need any help, contact us. sales@ hostingultraso.com.